Read the spelling.
Scary.
Scary. Scary.
Scary. He was just lonely from the day on Max because one day's friend and village had the best playtime ever.
Very good. What is the title?
Everyone in the village. Now I will tell you.
See, title ante it should be specific, particular. ఆ స్టోరీ మొత్తం ఆ టైటిల్ చూడంగానే తెలియాలి. సో యూ షుడ్ గివ్ యర్ టైటిల్ లైక్ దట్.
Now I will tell.
మెయిన్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఏముంటే అది కూడా నువ్వు టైటిల్ గా పెట్టొచ్చు.
The Max Agent.
Very good. So the story is about Max, so you can give this. Nice. Kartikeya?
Asman.
Yeah.
Everyone in the village was afraid of Max the giant. But Lily was